Hi, I'm happy to show an example of this project where I'm connecting the storage bucket. So what the client's requirement is that he has two buckets. One is in upload and another one is storage. So he uploads Excel or CSV files over here. In this one he will upload, and what my script should do is it should read this CSV or Excel file, and then it should if it is a particular file type, depending on which file type it should go into one of these tables. Okay, so what my script is doing is so this is a list of all the files that are available on this storage bucket, this one. So if I just click on refresh list, it will refresh that list. So I'll have all the options over here. Then I can select which file I want to process. So I'll select that file, and then if I click on process, what will happen is it will read this CSV file from the storage bucket, and then it will organize that according to the table. So for example, each table has a different schema, right? So what we have is, like, say for example this one, right? So we have this Excel. If in Excel it is this, then in BigQuery it should be this, and it should be of type integer, and it also supports like date. So in Excel, a column with header datum goes into the BigQuery field datum, which is a date type. So this is formatted accordingly, right? So that is how we read the Excel sheet, and then we convert it into BigQuery, and then we import it into this BigQuery table. So the Excel to BigQuery table is happening automatically using this script. So as soon as I click on this process button, what it will do is it will read this CSV file, and it will import all the rows into that particular table. Also, like the client had a requirement to delete like certain date ranges from particular table. So so I've selected that, right? And if I click on delete, then what it will do is it will show me that this will delete 14,864 rows from table. Are you sure? For now I'll do no, but like, that is how it works. If I click on delete, it will just delete it. Also, here is the log of all that is happening. So for example, all these rows were processed, and you can see it is fairly fast, because it is reading this 1870 rows, and it is inserting that into table in about 8 seconds, right? Yeah, 8 seconds. So in about 8 seconds it is able to insert this one. Let's see an example with more rows. So this is only 2000 rows, this one is 5000 rows, and this one is 11,000 rows. So it is when it started was 753, and when it finished was 753. Yep, 753 to 79. So it roughly took about 1 minute and 8 seconds to process about 11,000. So what it does is it reads the Excel, then organizes it, then inserts it into the table, then moves the file into another one. So once this file is processed, then it will be moved into the storage. So as you can see, all these files were like processed using this script. So all these files were like processed using this script. If you need a similar automation from storage bucket, or from Google Query, BigQuery, if you need like an automation, I'm the right person to contact. I've been a full-time freelancer for the last almost 15 years now. So if you need anything, please do not hesitate to get in touch or comment below. Thanks.